Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Garmin Forerunner 965. To begin, power on your device by holding the top left button for about 2 seconds. You'll primarily interact using the 5 physical buttons and the vibrant touchscreen. Swipe up or down to scroll through widgets and press the top right button to select an activity. It's designed for intuitive navigation, making it simple to access your essential data quickly. When you're ready to track an activity, simply press the top right button and choose your desired sport, like run. Your Forerunner 965 will quickly acquire a GPS signal, often within a few seconds, thanks to its multi-band technology. During your run, you can easily view crucial metrics such as your current pace, total distance covered, and heart rate, all displayed clearly on the bright AMOLED screen. For serious athletes, the Forerunner 965 offers advanced insights. Check your training readiness score each morning to gauge your recovery and optimize your next workout. You can also follow daily suggested workouts tailored to your fitness level. Furthermore, leverage the detailed, full-color maps for precise navigation and dive into advanced running dynamics like ground contact time and vertical oscillation to refine your running form. Beyond tracking, personalize your Forerunner 965 to fit your style. Choose from numerous watch faces and customize data fields to see exactly what matters most to you. Stay connected with smart notifications for calls, texts, and app alerts delivered right to your wrist. Plus, enjoy the convenience of Garmin Pay, allowing you to make quick, contactless payments at millions of locations, all without needing your phone or wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.